Hi everyone! Welcome to my Japanese tutorial videos. For today's topic guys, ang ituturo ko sa inyo is the 5 ways to say but in Japanese. Demo, shikashi, dakido, kirido, kiridomo. So yun yung 5 ways guys na pwede nyo sabihin but in Japanese. So magbibigay ako ng tatlong example sentence para malaman nyo kung paano gamitin ang bawat isa. So please watch my video. Demo, iPhone 16 ga suki demo takai da yo. I like iPhone 16 but it's expensive though. Shikashi, kuruma ga hushii. But I want a car. Dakido, Asi-san wa suki da kedo, Hiki-san wa kirai da. I like addition but not subtraction. So, yun guys, no, yun yung 5 ways to say but in Japanese. So, I hope na may natutunan kayo. And if you like more videos like this, so please like and follow my page in order you to learn more tutorial about Japanese language. So thank you for watching and God bless all.